Hey there, friend. Yeah, you. Maybe you're curled up on that same old couch, staring at those same four walls. Does your home feel like routine, not a retreat? Same coffee mug, same faded rug, same walls staring back. Monotony doesn't shout, it whispers, it creeps, dulling your energy, your relationships, your joy. Here's the truth: your home isn't just a space, it's the stage for your story. When it feels lifeless, so do you. I've been there, I've helped others out of it. The solution? Not a renovation, not a vacation. Tiny shifts, small, soulful. With my 3T method: threshold, texture, tail. Let me show you how it works. Let's meet Kelly and Randy. 20 years married, 20 years of sameness. Same dinners, same Netflix, same beige carpet since the 90s. Not unhappy, just uninspired. We made tiny moves, big magic, starting with threshold. That old carpet, now converted into honey-toned wood. The room breathed again. Texture? Those dull cabinets converted into sage green with brass handles. Instant mood lift. Tail. Harsh lights now became warm, dimmable glow. Evenings felt like an embrace. Dinner, laughter again. Movie night, date night energy. Their home wasn't only refreshed, they were reborn. Now, let's meet Mia, single mom, stylish apartment. Looked like a magazine spread, felt like a museum. Beautiful, yet cold. Polished, but not hers. So we curated it. Gallery wall of real memories, kids, beach trips, joy on display. Her mom's old furniture wrapped in beautiful emerald velvet. Now it makes her smile every time. Her home didn't only look good, it felt like hers. And this isn't just for young families. Let me tell you about Virginia, 69, retired from Lockheed Martin, sharp mind, strong spirit. But her back, struggling. Her old lazy boy chair, loyal for decades, but sunken, tilted, unforgiving. Every morning, pain. Every evening, strain. She didn't need a remodel. She needed a throne. So we got her one. Power recliner in beautiful caramel leather. Supportive, stunning, commanding. She sat down and said, "This is what dignity feels like." Then we replaced her heavy curtains. Remote control. Now she greets the sunrise with one click and closes the night without getting up. Her words: "My home finally helps me, not hurts me." That isn't just design, that's liberation. Humans have always refreshed spaces to refresh the soul. Romans had fountains in their homes. Renaissance villas told stories in paint. Victorians fought monotony with loud wallpaper. Even today, Dior's Fall 25 collection did it. Bar jackets recoated in dongle tweed. Dresses like Caprice, Segal, or Delft, reimagined for modern men. Not erasing the past, reigniting it, just like you can. Call to action. Fall is already changing. Leaves shifting, air crisping. your home can shift too. Start with upgrading your bedding, rearranging your furniture, or curating your walls. Perhaps switching your doorknobs. A fresh paint for your front door. Layer in textures or add plants. Done, lifted, transformed. Why do I love this? Because change recharges me. Every season, I swap my own bedding. It's like a reset button. Your home deserves that too. So, let me ask you, what's the first thing you see when you walk in? Does it lift you or drain you? If it doesn't spark joy, let's change it. Together, for couples, single parents, retirees, empty nesters, your home should cheer for you. Book your soulful strategy consultation. Start with a 15-minute style assessment. Drop a comment. What's your threshold? Does it spark joy? Let's reignite your space and your spirit. I'm here for you. Let's make it happen.